Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad Shazan bin Saidin, matrix number CN190032. So this video is for our assignment in subject Fluid Mechanics section 1 BNJ 20203. Our lecturer is Dr. Nofrizal Idris bin Daris. In this subject Fluid Mechanics, we have to learn about science that deal with fluid at rest, mean the fluid is at static or in motion fluid dynamic, and the interaction of fluid with solid or the other fluid at the boundaries. So from the assignment given, the question that I chose is, why can't you hear a supersonic airplane until it has gone past you? When an object such as jet has supersonic speed, it will produce the shockwave when it travels faster than the speed of sound. The wave front pile up along the side. The wave crests overlap one another and form a large amplitude wave known as shock wave. When we are standing on the ground and a plane that traveling at supersonic speed passes you, you will hear a loud boom that is known as sonic boom. And that's why we can't hear a supersonic airplane until it has gone past, because of the shockwave does not reach us yet. That's all video from me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.